Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to pair the AirTag with your iPhone. I got this from Best Buy for $29 plus tax. So all you basically do, let's take it out. This little device right here. All you do is basically bring it close to your iPhone, making sure that your iPhone has the Find My Phone enabled. And as soon as I pull this, it should be activated. So there we go. Pull it. There you go. Do you hear that noise, that beep? And I bring my iPhone close to it, and as you can see, I'm already seeing the AirTag in here. So I'm just gonna click connect. I'm gonna name it. What is this for? Custom name. I'm gonna do custom name, my daughter's name, and let's go choose an emoji. I mean, whatever, I can just maybe change that later on, but you have to make sure that your account is logged in. It's gonna be right here, register AirTag to your Apple ID, and I'm going to click continue. And that's it. Here it says with you precision finding, play sound, view in Find My app. Let's go take a look. So findable when powered off. It has all these options. Let's continue, and let's say if I lost it, I can play sound. So if you lose it, you can play the sound. Up here, right here, it also shows you the battery life on here. It lasts about a year. It takes the same battery as the computer motherboard does. This option is pretty cool. This only works on iPhone 11 and above. This should tell me exactly where the AirTag is. So let's say I'm gonna move it away from here, and as you can see, it's telling me it's 3 feet away. It should give me an arrow also. There you go. I put it down. Okay. Remember, this only works off of Bluetooth. So a Bluetooth device needs to be nearby, otherwise it will not work unless another device from iPhone or any other compatible Bluetooth device comes in contact. Remember, this is not a new technology, okay? Tile did the same thing. The Tile, which is lost and found items, they do the same thing. It's the same technology. The only difference between the Apple and the Tile is there are millions and millions of Apple devices. So this, if it gets lost, it's very easy to track, because any person walking by with the Bluetooth on their iPhone, this is going to locate it. Whereas Tile is a little bit limited, where Tiles is not that many users. So it really depends on that. So I guess that's it. If you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. If you would like me to give you a little bit more detail on this, I will be more than happy to assist you with that. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.